sing. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, as heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let us our songs employ. White fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with rules and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders